Hello guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to use the Platinum Link app. I will try to speak in English so everyone can understand. So yes, so we're going to start this model, the Platinum PK10. So I will teach you how to use the Platinum Link app. So for the speaker, you need to double check the switch on and karaoke power is on. And this one, the line mode, so it should be line, switch on and on. Then we will proceed to the, so if you want to connect to your TV, you need to use HDMI connection. Yeah, here. And it has AV out also, which is the cable is included with the package. There's no HDMI in the package, but you can use any HDMI. For the package, it comes with this AV cable. So yeah, here we go. First of all, you need to download the Platinum Link. So once you already here, just press. Guys, you need to wait this line. Yeah, until it reach here. So just choose Philippines, then choose the model. There's a lot of model here, but you can select the model that you have. So we are going to use the Pro Party Jukebox, which is the PK10 Pro Party Jukebox. Okay, and just do it next. Wait this line until it reach at the end of this here. So yeah, okay. By the way, sorry for my English. So I hope you will understand this one. So okay. Yes, loading. Sometimes it takes time to download that line, so you need a couple of seconds or a minute. So do next time. And yeah, you can see already here the list of the songs, but as you can see here, Pro Jukebox tried to connect, so we're not connected yet. So we will connect the player. Just press the three line here, connect player. As you can see, so we will delete this one first. As you can see, Wi-Fi setting. You can see the built-in Wi-Fi in the speaker. So Pro Jukebox, just press this one, connect. Yeah, just wait until connected to the speaker. So yeah, connected, no internet access, it's fine because we are using this Wi-Fi for karaoke only. So we need to go back here, then search player. Oops. Yeah, for the search play, it will blinking, it will show up this one, the Pro Jukebox. Connect, passwords here, connect, just connect and log in. And now we're going back to the song list. So here, as you can see it here, yeah, Pro Jukebox is already connected, so you can use the link app now. Dug. So you can see also in the screen, TV screen and your phone. Just for example, if you don't want the TV screen, you can use just mobile. So here we go. You can use the Platinum Link app now. Easy as that. So for device, you can connect to the link app. So you can use iPad, tablet, or phones. So much more bigger screen if you want to use iPad or tablet. So yeah, here. Then you can select. You can just reserve. You can see here the reserve also. Yeah. And for example, if you don't like the song, you can do next. Easy as that. And also there's some special effect for this. These three lines, just press this one. You can adjust the mic volume, the volume of the speaker here. There's adjustment. So yeah, home here only. So guys, I hope it will helps for you to use the Platinum Link app. And yeah, thank you for watching, and this is the Platinum PK10. Thank you so much.